So today we're going to demo our finalized system, but first let's make an account. John76, that's my username, and same as for the password, so that we could not enter on any problem soon. This is the email. I already have the contact number. That's the full name, and I click register. Successful. Let's space it out. Okay, this is my home. This is the home page, and we click here the sidebar. We're going to about this day about the system. And next we're going to contact. Okay, this is my contact. After we're going to contact, this is the sample output. Okay, after that, this is the settings. So here we can change our profile since we use a default. Let's try it out. Change it and click change profile. Here, profile is changed. Let's try another username. C type 60. Change username. Here, username is successfully changed. Let's type the password. Click the show. Let's try 7. Okay. Okay, we successfully changed the password. Let's click the logout. Okay. Type 60. Okay. Let's click login. Okay, we successfully enter again to the system. Okay. And that's all for my demonstration. Thank you for listening. Bye.